Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to block messages from unknown accounts in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WhatsApp. And the next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you click on advanced. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. And with that, unknown contact will not be able to message you on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.